Hello, so I wanted to share with you this galvanized pipe handrail project that I just completed. A few years ago I built these stairs, the staircase down to the water's edge and to my kayaks, and as the years go by the stairs seem steeper and steeper, so came time I thought it's good to have a handrail. What I used was galvanized pipe. I know there's black pipe. I've seen that on YouTube's videos with black pipe. I chose the galvanized pipe. I hope it was the right choice. A combination of these elbows, the T's, the short pipes, the end caps here, and of course the upright. This is a 30-inch. They make a 3-foot as well. This is a 6-foot length here. Also, I did attached it with the flange here at the base and an elbow, and you can see I did some reinforced screws there, wood screws, with a couple of them on each end. All in all, it worked out. It was about $80 worth of pipe. Again, I chose the galvanized metal pipe. There's black pipe as an option also. I think this one's going to hold up, although I see already there's a little bit of rust at the threads. I'm hoping that's all the rust that we're going to see out of this. If you know how to address that rust, please put a comment in the below. Also, I was not able to do a final tightening of this because of the way it's all put together, and if you have some tips on that, I'd love to hear from you. But hopefully this helps you as you think of an outdoor railing. It came in handy and it seems to be quite sturdy, and I'm happy with it.